Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add trusted connection on Roblox Mobile. Ever tried adding someone on Roblox and thought there has to be a faster way than searching usernames? That's where trusted connections using QR codes actually make things way smoother. First, keep in mind this only works if your account is 13 or older, otherwise, the feature might not even show up. What I usually do is open a profile of the person I want to connect with, or have them open theirs and look for their QR code. You can share it as an image or just display it on our screen. Then on my side, I go to my profile, tap the QR scanner in the corner, and scan it directly. Instantly, their profile pops up, and I just tap Add Connection. After that, they accept the request, and you're good to go. Honestly, it feels way more modern than typing username. Make sure both accounts are set up properly, or the option might not work as expected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.